Welcome back, guys. Got another special for you. I got the Detective Pikachu Greninja Special box. Got that one there for you. Going to be opening some Lost Thunder as well. Just going to look at it for you. But let's get in the show, and I'll unbox this in the intro. See you then. Alright guys, welcome back. Got the pack open. Come with this cool little pin. I don't know if you can focus. What's back there? A bit better to focus right there. I didn't even realise that. It's looking good. And you got the Greninja GX card, the mini one. Got the one in the background there as well, which is just a bigger version of this one. Still got to get sleeves for those. It came with 2 Sun and Moon, one was Crimson Invasion, one was just standard, and 5 of the Detective Pikachu packs, which we'll start off opening first. So let's get into it. Those of you new to the channel, if you like the content, want to see some more, hit that like and subscribe button. We do giveaways every month. There was a big giveaway the other day. It's all over the Facebook page, so check that out, guys. Code card for that one. Also, I'll give you the code card for the Greninja itself. Get into it. So first up, we've got Psyduck, Magikarp, Charmander, and holographic Slapping. Nice. I do have the complete set, guys. I'm just waiting. I've been chatting to a couple of you guys online. There are more promo cards to come, so I'm going to hold out until the rest of the promo cards are finished. And I will show off the complete set. Psyduck, Magikarp, and another holographic Greninja. Put him up there next to his buddy. I'll sleeve him real quick, guys, just off camera. If you want a chance to win any of the cards that you've seen today, just make sure to keep an eye out on the Facebook page. I'm always giving away things. I love the game. I love opening cards. I also like giving out to the guys that play. I don't play personally, but I love the Pokemon range. Another code card for you. Alright, so Snubble, Magikarp, Bulbasaur, and Machamp directing the traffic there. That's probably the funniest of the Detective Pikachu cards, I reckon. If you have seen the movie, it's good. If you haven't seen it, I definitely recommend it. Ryan Reynolds does a really good job. He's always bloody funny. Charmander, Morlul, Bulbasaur, and another Slacking holographic there. Oh, and a code card for you guys. I like this pack, it's got 5 in it as opposed to the normal 4. So if you're looking to fill your deck with these collector cards, this is definitely the pack to go with. Still trying to get my hands on Mewtwo GX box set. They seem to be sold out where I am at the moment. Look at that. Psyduck. Oh, skip one there. Morlul and a Ditto, sorry. Another code card for you there, guys. Alright, that's it for that segment, and I'll get into the Sun and Moon. Hold still. Alright. We'll start with the Incineroar. The Fire Starter Pokemon of the newer sets. Interesting to see what comes out next month with the Unified Minds. If you would like to follow that, I'll be doing that as well. I'm getting my cards, my boosters off a guy called Collectible Cartel. His link will be in the thing below. He does a lot of great giveaways at the moment. I believe he's looking for 300 likes at the moment. He's doing a massive giveaway with plenty of unopened booster packs and stuff like that. So make sure to go check his page out as well. We're both in it for the love. So, what energy? Pokemon Catcher, Golbat, Dragonair, Makuhita, Caterpie, Paris, Young Goose, the Young Goose, Shelter, Reverse Holo Wingull, and a Tauros GX. Wow. I will put the price up in the future. I'll put on him sleeves straight away, guys. Bear with me. If you followed me In my previous videos, you know that my favourite ones are Blastoise and his evolution, the Squirtle. Totodile, obviously. And also I do like the Crocodile Rage. So any of those, whenever I get one of those, I always like to do a giveaway if I can get enough likes in the video. Otherwise I save all the cards for the big end of month giveaway. So make sure to look out for that on the Facebook page. 4, cool. Alright, starting off with a Fire Energy, Counter Catcher, Hakamu'u, Diggersby, Pumpkaboo, Corfish, Starly, Skidoo, Weedle, and Wigglytuff Reverse Holographic, and a Primark non-holographic in the Play-Doh version. Not a super fan of that, but still a nice card. Alright, don't go now, we've got 4 more to go for the Lost Thunder. Start with Celebi. How do I use this one? It's not the camera there, guys, sorry. It's a code card for anyone. First in, best dressed. Yeah, that's 4, isn't it? Cool. Alright, Psychic Energy, Kecleon, Sightseer, Whitney, Marini, Larvitar, Slowpoke, Cubchoo, Alolan Diglett, Life Forest. That's a really cool Prism Star card, guys. Beautiful. And the rare, Zebstrika, definitely non-holographic. Alright, looking for another GGX cards, guys. I'm not sure if my favourites are in this range. I just chose it to give it a bit of a breakup from Unbroken Bonds. There's the code card there, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy, Electropower, Delibird, Bayleaf, Houndour, Alolan Diglett, Trico, Chansey, Pachirisu, Reverse Holo Xatu, and an Azumarill non-holographic. Alright, 2 to go, guys. Let's get some magic there. If you guys haven't seen, the full list for the Unified Minds cards has been released. It's on a few of the websites. It's on my Facebook as well. I'm putting a link in there for you guys to follow. It's a wicked lineup, and the team up guys that are on there, pretty cool. My favourite one's going to be Sableye and Tyranitar. Definitely will hunt that one down later on. Fluffy, Kahili, Sudowoodo, Natu, Chikorita, Pachirisu, Hoppip, Carbink, Reverse Holo Popplio, and the rare is a Shedinja non-holographic. Not any holographics today, guys. Or rare holographics, that is. Not a lot of reverse holo. Sneaky Stunfisk there is in like every deck. The bane of every deck. Alright. Code card. Last pack magic, guys. Let's get some luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully that one there's a nice big GX. Fighting Energy, Xatu, Sableye, Brioni, Stunfisk, Larvitar, Litwick, Chikorita, Natu, Reverse Holographic Bruxish, I do have that one, and the rare is a Heatran Holographic rare. Very nice. Alright guys, that's all we've got time for today. Be sure to stick around for the next one. It'll be on 2 days time. And go look at the Facebook page, like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you very much. Bye.